Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of BitTorrent coin. A lot of people message me that kindly make a video on BitTorrent. What's the current situation of BitTorrent and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold BitTorrent? A lot of people confused and this decision that what is the best time, buy, sell or hold BitTorrent in this time, friends. So finally I decided to make a video for all of you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now as you can see here, the price of BitTorrent at this time is about 0.008063 USD dollar is the current price of BitTorrent in the cryptocurrency market. And if you look the change occurred in the BitTorrent in the last 1 hour chain is negative, last 1 day chain is negative, and last 1 week chain is also negative. That is why a lot of people confuse that, but don't worry, in this video I will give you a solution with a live proof, friends. As you can see here, friends, first of all we look the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we look the last 1 day price prediction, and let's do the technical analysis. According to technical analysis, we decided what's the next target after BitTorrent, and after that we decided what is the best time to buy, sell or hold. As you can see here, friends, the last 1 hour change is about negative 0.43%, and the high price is about 0.007933 USD dollar is the high price of BitTorrent in the last 1 hour, friends. And friends, if we look the current situation of BitTorrent, so as you can see here, at this time they are also in the falling mode, friends. Now friends, let's see the last 1 day price prediction, what's the prices goes in the last 1 day, and after that we decided what's the next price of the BitTorrent. As you can see here, the BitTorrent falls of the BitTorrent, as you can see here at this point, continuously very fastly falls of the BitTorrent starts now, friends. If we look the change occur in the BitTorrent in the last 1 day, so the change is about negative 2.5%, and the high price in the last 1 hour, sorry, 1 day is about 0.008175 USD to the is the high price of BitTorrent in the last, friends. Now friends, can analyze, so as you can see here, now they are very fast down. As you can see here, if we do a technical analysis, so as you can see here, they are fast down. Let's suppose wait for a minute, let's suppose that is our support level and that is our resistance level in the last 2 hour, friends. And if we look, they break out the support level. As you can see here at this point, they fast down and break out the support level. But as you can see here at this time, if we look if we focus on this point, so as you can see here at this time, they are another, the green candle represent the, now at this time the jumping of the BitTorrent starts now, friends. So now it's a jumping time of BitTorrent. The next move is kind of this, as you can see here. As you can see here at this time, they take a jump, friends. Maybe they fast down, we can't say about the future, but my suggestion according to price prediction chart, I hope they move at this point. So what's your opinion about BitTorrent? If you are a holder of BitTorrent, so please, my suggestion for you to please hold. You are also in the loss because the last 1 week change is negative. You are also in the loss, so please kindly hold your BitTorrent coin with the last of this one and make a good amount of profit. What's your opinion about? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.